Guys, welcome back to our channel. Yes, dumating na kami guys. We came from church guys, but my madam is drop me only because we are going somewhere. So they give me a 10 ringgit guys. I thought I said this one I thought my money is 20. So when I pay, and then you know what? Don't have rice. That's why I cook first. Because I'm rushing, and then no put the rice. No rice, guys. I just buy. Yes, I buy in the Indian restaurant because my sir said, "Oh, Rita, buy your food." We cook the cabbage in very simple. That's how we cook. And I buy fish, guys. Puro mahal ang fish. Kasi 15, I pay 15 ringgit, which is my money is 150 peso. The small fish, fried fish only. And then one is the squid rice fish. Yes. Hello. Thank you. My headband is from BBK. Let's eat. Ayan. And then my another guys, my internet guys, so super guys. I need to go there to upload. Ay, ito. All this one 15 ringgit. But no rice. Maybe I thought it's together with the rice. Maybe the guy forgot to put. Very funny because my money I put in my bra, and then I have only 10 ringgit from my boss. So I just take out my money in my bra. I don't care. The preaching is very nice. Very nice, right? Learning about the coronavirus, about the faith, about the fear. Yeah. And then there is a doctor, because pastor asked to share the doctor's opinion about coronavirus. Coronavirus guys is hindi po siya nakakahawa kapag nalalaglag or umuubo tapos tumalsik yung lawa. Hindi po siya nakakahawa. Hindi siya nag-multiply. Ang germs at bacteria magkaiba sa virus. Germs and bacteria is multiply, then the virus is not. Through contact only guys. The coronavirus through contact. Example, your friend from China, and then from China join you in a dinner like that, then at that time no, you can be virus. Yun yung dahilan na maka-virus. And also beware of wearing mask, because sometimes people are wearing mask. Pastor said people are wearing mask, but when they are eating, they are take out the mask, and then they are touching all the right, touching, and then after eating put again. not advisable. Where to wear mask? You must wear mask if you have cough and you go other places. But if you know that you are strong, you can not wear mask. It's okay, you cannot wear mask, because the pastor said people are in fear. They are not fear fear and worries is different. Fear is epidemic fear, overacting fear. But more faith is less fear. Pastor said, more faith, less fear. That's exactly true. If you have faith in God, you will not fear a lot. But if you are not having your faith, you will be panicked. You don't know what to do. Thank you guys. Nice meal. Praise God. Thank you for watching and bless.